This is the first episode of the Art Living podcast that we're launching officially. How does the movement of these planets impact our lives?
All grahas are there to make us enlightened by consuming our karmas in layman's language.
Looking at Mangliks from one perspective, is it as bad as people make it out to be? First of all, what is it?
You're very aggressive and very enthusiastic about everything in life, very passionate. It's complimentary. In relationship, this adds a zing to life.
Sadesati is another one. People are like, oh my god, Sadesati. I should lock myself in a room, never come out, otherwise my life's going to be ruined. Is it that bad?
Shanidev is called Dukkha Karaka. He's the hand of the god which creates suffering. Somebody is already walking on this path. He feels that. He sheds tears for the divine on day-to-day basis. He feels that immense longing from his heart. This guy is Shanidev's favorite. It is not only through pujas and homas and gemstones we do the remedies, through awareness also. So the moment you start chanting Om Namah Shivaya, you start your day with chanting Om Namah Shivaya 10-15 minutes, you're balancing all the 5 elements. Chagraha is like Devata now.
I can do whatever I want. Whatever is needed, whenever is needed, will be done.
Yes.
A person who's deeply spiritual, are there indications like somebody will be deeply spiritual in a chart and it'll come easy to them? It is there?
Yes.
Okay. And
But there are not one or two things.
it's a combination of many things.
Many things.
Can you give one simple example of what one combination would be that would make a person spiritual?
If more grahas in exaltation, it shows that you have achieved balance in the past life.
Right.
Sadhu yoga in your chart, there is a tapasvi yoga in your chart, there is a pravraja yoga.
Are there indications in a person's chart that says that, okay, this person will be close to the Guru?
One core thing, strength of the Jupiter.
That's it.
When you do a lot of good karmas, when the bucket of your good karmas get filled, you become a Maharaja, you become a king. But when the bucket of your good karmas breaks with your good karmas, then you get Guru in life.
Is enlightenment indicated in a birth chart? Krishna's birth chart, like is there something there that tells you,
They are Yuga Purushas.
right.
Shri Ram's chart, Shri Krishna's chart, we see that. 4th house has Atma Karaka. Atma Karaka in the 4th house in your D1 chart, exalted. Those karma which cannot be changed simply by your efforts, spiritual practices can change.